Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Zan, a qualified accountant. I have started a new series on my channel to teach accounting in a fun way. Today I'm going to explain the accounting equation in an easy and interesting manner. This won't be a boring lecture, I promise. To illustrate the accounting equation and how it works, I will tell you a story about a guy named Max. He used the accounting equation to his advantage, started a business, and became a successful YouTube influencer. You are going to have fun and learn the basics of accounting equation, which is usually not the case. So don't go anywhere. Things are about to get interesting. First, let's go over the basics. The main idea of the accounting equation is that everything owned by a business is always equal to what the business owes to others. Everything owned by the business is called assets in accounting. There are many different types of assets like buildings, furniture, cars, etc. Basically, any resource that a business owns or controls is an asset. What the business owes can be divided into two categories: liabilities and owner's equity or capital. Liabilities are financial obligations a business must pay to third parties, such as loan from a bank. Owner's equity is the investment made by the owners into the business and any profits that are not withdrawn. So putting it all together, we get the accounting equation. Assets are always equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Now that we have covered the basics, let's see how Max used the accounting equation to manage his YouTube business finances. Meet Max, a tech-savvy and charismatic young man. He tried his luck with many startups but failed at every one of them. He couldn't figure out what was going wrong. So he watched some YouTube videos like this one to better understand the accounting equation and how to manage his business finances. Once he fully understood the concept, he became confident that this next business venture would succeed. He decided to start a YouTube channel to share animated videos on different topics. The name of his channel was Max's Marvelous Whiteboard Animations channel, The Next Mr. Beast. Many of his friends told him the name was too long for a YouTube channel, but he didn't listen. He was chasing his dream. Max had $1,000 left from his savings working as a part-time professional dog walker. Determined to become the next big YouTube millionaire, he invested all of his saving into this new venture. With this $1,000, Max bought a laptop, a microphone for voiceovers, whiteboard video software, a chair, and a desk. On day one, the accounting equation for his YouTube business looked like this. Total assets are at $1,000 equal to liabilities which are nil and equity which stands at $1,000. As we all know, it is not easy to become big on YouTube these days. So Max uploaded video after video for a month and only got 2 subscribers, his neighbor, Uncle Bob, and his best friend. Max soon realized that he needed more funds to promote his channel. He approached his uncle, who was really impressed with Max's existence on YouTube. Max borrowed $500 from Uncle Bob, promising to mention him in the next video. Let's update his accounting equation after getting this loan. So we will add this $500 cash on the asset side, and on the liability side we will also add $500 because now he owes this money to Uncle Bob. So the total assets are now at $1,500, liability is at $500, and equity is at $1,000. Max spent this additional cash on ads to promote his YouTube channel and paid $500 to an agency. So let's update the accounting equation now. We will deduct the cash on the asset side because now he have paid that to the agency, and also we will decrease his equity as he have spent that money. So the total looks like assets at $1,000, liabilities at $500, and equity at $500. This strategy worked for Max's channel. One of Max's video about the benefits of eating broccoli got viral with more than 3 million views in few days and brought thousands of subscribers to his channel. Max didn't believe what he was seeing. His life was about to be changed forever. With this success, Max earned $20,000 from ads and sponsorships from YouTube. He had never seen this much amount in his bank account ever before. So let's see how the accounting equation will be changed after this. We will add $20,000 to the asset side, making the total to $21,000. On the liability side, it remains the same and equity will increase by $20,000. So the total of both sides is now $21,000. Max was a rich man now, so keeping Uncle Bob's money any longer didn't feel right. He decided to immediately repay the loan back to his uncle. After repaying the loan, let's see how does it impact the accounting equation for Max's channel. We will decrease the cash by $500 as he paid it to Uncle Bob. The liabilities are now nil because he doesn't owe him anything. And equity remains the same. So both sides are now at $20,000 and $500. As you can see, the accounting equation showed Max the health of his business at any given time, ensuring everything was balanced. Max learned that by keeping an eye on his assets, liabilities, and owner's equity, he could make smart financial decisions and ensure his business thrived. So you might be wondering what happened with Max next. Well, Max's YouTube channel exploded. He became a millionaire. It became difficult to keep track of his finances only with the knowledge of accounting equation. So he hired a professional accountant to maintain his books. A smart choice if you ask me. Moral of the story? If you want to become a millionaire, learn accounting equation. And if you become a millionaire, hire a qualified accountant. Congratulations, you now fully understand the accounting equation. I hope this story helped you to see it in action. Thanks to Max. I'm sure you will remember it forever now. Thank you for watching this video. It takes a huge amount of effort and time to create such content. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you want to learn another accounting topic, please mention it in your comments and I will try to cover it in my next video. Until next time, bye-bye.